Guys, welcome to Tarot Space. Myself Gurpreet Kaur. So today we are going to read for Virgo. So let us see what love messages do the angels have for Virgo, and some quick notes. These are general readings. It may or may not resonate with you, and if it does, please let us know in the comment section below so that we know that we connected with you well. So let's, without a further ado, let's just start the reading. I'll start shuffling the cards. Let me connect to Virgos, let my angels connect to Virgos and give you some good love advices for the month of April, starting from 16th of April to the end of the month 2020. My dear angels, what messages, what love messages do you have for my dear Virgos, starting from 16th of April to the end of April 2020? What love messages do you have for Virgos? Give me some love advices and love messages for Virgos. What love messages do you have for Virgos? So I see a lot of people are in a serious relationship and thinking of marriage. I don't know, I just got it from somewhere. Just came in my mind. My dear angels, what love messages do you have for my Virgos? For the month of April, starting from 16th of April to the end of the month 2020. Let's get to the reading. Give me messages, love messages for Virgos. Give me messages, love messages for Virgos. Give me love messages for Virgos. Give me some love messages for Virgos. So these are too many cards came out. Okay, so I'm just giving it. Love messages for Virgos. Yeah, so people are thinking to get married here. Okay, most of the Virgos are into the manifestation mode, gaining spiritual knowledge, getting into spirituality. Okay, what love messages do you have for Virgos? So here are two more cards. I see Virgos are dealing with someone who is Libra. Give me some more love messages for Virgo. What love messages? Give me a clear reading. Give me love messages that you have for Virgo. Okay. Give me one overall advice card. Okay. Give me one more overall advice card. Okay. What is the overall energy here? Okay, so we see that the overall energy here is that you are actually in love. Someone is in love. Okay, so if someone is dealing with Virgo woman and is watching this video, so that girl really loves you a lot. And if a girl is watching this video who's Virgo, you are in love. You're deeply in love with someone and you are thinking to marry that person. And yeah, so you can do that, and it's going really nice. Most of them I see here are in a relationship and it's going really nice. So people are dealing with Libras. I see people are dealing with maybe some air sign as well. I'm getting some air sign also, maybe some water signs. I see Cancerian here as well. So I see Cancerian here, I see Leo here. So there are too many energies that I'm picking up here. Okay, so yeah, so people are in love here, and Virgo women are deeply in love with someone, and so some of them are dealing with Libra, and some of them are really having a hard time to make a decision or choosing between two of them, or maybe they are in a revenge mode. People who I see that I see some of them are dealing with taking a revenge with someone, like someone just betrayed them or someone lied to them or something happened with their friend or something like that, so they are in a revenge mode. Also I see some of them are dealing with some cases, so that's not the thing to talk in love readings, so let's not talk about that here. Okay, so one more thing that I see here is that you are having some trust issues. you are feeling that the person you are dealing with might betray you, and you get this vibes, because I see most of the Virgo here are really spiritual, and they have immense knowledge of spirituality, and they get good intuitions as well. So you know, they keep on overthinking a lot, and they, because as they are deeply in love, they overthink, and they keep on thinking about the other person, and they can't stop thinking, and because of which they are overthinking, and because of overthinking there are some trust issues that I see, and they think that, you know, the other person might betray them, and they are betraying them. And there are too many, and actually there are too many people who are talking about you, Virgos, because you are in love. So maybe there might be a lot of people who are coming and advising you, but yeah, but what I feel here is that you need to just be in peace. You need to just calm your mind for some time, and you need to just rest, because right now you have been overthinking really lot. Okay, so because of your past, you're not able to move ahead. Because of your past, you're not able to trust the person you are with right now. Even if the person is right, you might think that he is cheating on you, because here I see that, you know, you're still crying over the spilled milk. You're still not getting over the past. You still feel that the person you're dealing with might betray you someday, because I don't see that happening here, because the person is really working hard for you. Maybe he is really busy, maybe he keeps on working, or maybe he is much busy and he cannot give you much time, because he is trying to have a good future with you, and because of which the insecurities are developing inside you, and you are thinking that the person is betraying you, which is not the case. Right now I see that you know, you yeah, so this was the overall readings, overall advice. One advice that the tarot is trying to give you is that you really need to stop thinking. You really need to stop overthinking, because what has happened. Now this person you have got is not the same, so you need to just go ahead, move on, and just, you know, not think about your past. And yeah, so this is again a good card. You should just go with the flow. You should just see what's happening, and the person is really working hard. I see the person is really working on the relationship, trying to cope up with things, trying to cope up with you, and even you are trying to save money for your future. You are into the investment mode also. I see you are working. Your Virgo woman are independent women. You are working, you are having a fun time. So let's not overthink. Let's just control our mind. Let's just have a peace of mind. Okay, and you both need to actually support each other, because if you want to have a good future, you have to trust each other, because I see there are a lot of trust issues, and you are not able to fully trust this person because of your past. And I see there is a marriage happening for the people who are actually thinking of getting married. So I see marriages happening here, and you have succeeded in having a good relationship here, and you have finally found the one you can be with. I have this very strong feeling of having a soulmate energy here. So most of the Gemini, if sorry, we were talking about Gemini, right? I just lost the track. Sorry. So yeah, we were talking about Virgos. So most of the Virgos might be dealing with Gemini. Yeah, I don't know where did Gemini come from. Yeah, so so yeah, most of the Virgos might be dealing with Gemini, and maybe here is somewhere there is a soulmate energy. Maybe there is some relationship from the past life that has come up, and maybe you are getting married. Yeah, so this was the overall love reading for Virgos for the month of April 2020, from 16th of April to 30th of April. So if you really if the reading resonated with you, you can just tell us in the comment section below which part of the video resonated with you, and you can also share this video with your friends so that it might help them to get some advices. Thank you so much.